Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 79. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Baiman and General Shaorong. The two of them still teasing each other, especially for General Shaorong. She continued to provoke Princess Baiman, and also she was teasing her. General Sharon said, "Are you in pain? Or it hurts?" Now, looking at Princess Baiman, it seems to be she is losing herself. Well, probably there's a lot of things happen, and seeing Princess Baiman, of course, she don't want to get tricked by her again. It was pain can make you to remember. For a long time, General Sharon said to Princess Baiman, "Sharon, your madness has committed again." She is getting crazy in love with her. Princess Baiman said to her, "This is my home." Well, for her, at this moment, General Sharon, she don't care even if it's really her home. Someone or later, they will find out that I am not here. You can shut me down in the cellar. Do you still want me to like you by doing this? No. Well, General Sharon thinks that Princess Baiman, that she cannot restrain or lock up General Sharon at her own will, and said to her, "Don't let me go." Well, she knows that General Sharon, she will be tricky, especially on what happening. "You said you won't love me." "I know it," General Sharon said to her. "Now, it really makes sense. So, I want your people." General Sharon said to Princess Baiman, "Oh, this means that they're gonna use each other. Position and powerful alliance can be determined at this moment. Well, maybe it's a good choice to help each other." Now, General Sharon, she was asking Princess Baiman, "Before, I am too pretty." Well, she was touching her face and caressing it. Princess Baiman, she can do anything but just to stare at General Sharon's face. "At first, I just want you to love. Wait, until I think that you love me. But I want you to accompany me again." It turns out General Sharon, your decisions are changing from time to time. When you are with me, I feel that it's not enough. I want to be by my side forever. Never leave me. Well, that was General Sharon's confession. It was really sweet, right? But I get it now. The people like me can get perfect love. So I only want your people enough. General Sharon said to her. Now, General Sharon, this is the first time she seems to be so serious, right? Even though she was serious before. But now, with all her feelings and also her emotion are being heightened and also focusing on Princess Baiman. As for whether you like me or not, I don't expect anything that doesn't belong to me anymore. Now, it really makes sense. So, General Sharon, she is not expecting that Princess Baiman will responded her love to her. But now, she was contented and only wanting her cooperation. Together with the two of them are being controlled the power. Of course, their future will be brightened. But now, they're really enjoying the things. Even though it was small things. Shaorong, are you really crazy? You said you respected my life. Princess, the general, is afraid that he will break his promise. One day, I will eliminate you, or you will eliminate me. General Shaorong, look at her. She was surprised when seeing Princess Baiman that she was crying. At this moment, it seems that she was really getting crazy over her. Now she was laughing. "Baiman, you are really awesome." General Sharon said to Princess Baiman. Now she continued to tease her. Looking at Princess Baiman, she feels really uncomfortable. Well, we know that General Sharon, she continued to tease her and also to provoke her. Can Princess Baiman, can she really restrain herself or she will really give her in? General Sharon said, this time. How many fingers are there? Now, General Sharon, she is really getting crazy. Princess Byman, can she really control herself? Now, after the two of them, look at Princess Byman, she was thinking. And it seems that General Sharon, she already falls asleep. With her side, leaving Princess Byman, who was staring and also thinking a lot of things. Sharon, how do you know that there's a basement hidden here? Well, this basement is for confidential repairs. No one should know about me. I will get up right, go to the door first to see if it's locked. Is your place, is it? Now, it really makes sense. She know that General Sharon, that she is a smart person. That's why maybe she really can read her. Now, it really makes sense. After waking up, she's seeing herself that General Sharon, it turns out, and also, if I could be really ruthless and follow Sharon's words, it would be better to deceive her. Now, it really makes sense. But why is my heart always indignant? And this time, I angered her again. Princess Byman said to herself, since General Sharon, she was still sleeping. Now, she really untied herself. Sharon probably already hated me. Well, that was Princess Byman. Think about General Sharon. Gusi has been revealed to the Nine Kings. Zhuang has already retired. The other daughters sent by the Five family to help me cover it up. So it turns out her family is also moving in the palace. Well, Byman, what is she going to do? They've been eliminated. Chang Junxing using the weapon system of the Nine Kings. Pick up and meet Cheng Yan's family. He can think of sending troops to suppress the bandits. Now, there's a lot of things I need to do. Seeing the world in danger, I want him not only to succeed in winning to the here, but also to compete with Sharon. Oh, Princess Byman, she is really getting tricky again with her thoughts and also being tricky. Well, what could be wrong? It seems that there's a lot of things to work on. Let's hope General Sharon that she will be safe and also for Princess Byman since she was really good at playing at this. Now, fortunately, the van on the original door lock has been changed. Now, General Sharon, she was on the back of Princess Byman and she keeps staring on hers. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting Cyril K. And now, thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!